When you receive the product, you will receive the following. Use a multi-tool to remove these 4 screws from the battery cover. Align the 4 mounting holes on the bottom of the seat base with these 4 holes on the scooter. Place washers on each of the new screws. Install it into these 4 mounting holes and tighten the screws. Press the seat folding switch to return the seat to its original position. Before use, please check that the seat post clamp is secure to its original position. Before use, please check that the locking clip at the bottom of the seat post is secure. If the tension is not right, you can adjust it by turning the knob on other side of the buckle wrench. Turn clockwise to tighten. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. The seat height can be adjusted using the seat post clamp. This section is the shock absorber. How to fold the seat. First, press the seat folding lever to raise the seat. Unlock the seat post clamp, lower the seat to its lowest position, rotate the seat as shown in the video. Unlock the clamp at the bottom of the seat. Hold the safety lock. Fold the seat. Unlock the handlebar clamp. Fold the handlebars. Final folded configuration. Simply follow the steps above in reverse to unfold the scooter and seat.